If you use a plastic card printer, you'll be familiar with the colour printer ribbon or film that goes inside. You may also have experienced the printer ribbon breaking and the panic as you wonder what to do about it. Your printer ribbon may have snapped because the contrast setting is too high in your printer settings, or maybe your print head is due a clean and dirt has stuck to the ribbon, causing it to split. It's really easy to fix a snapped or split printer ribbon. Let's take a look at how to do it. First, remove the snapped ribbon from the printer and set it down on a clean, flat surface. Ensure that both ends of the ribbon are the same way around. Line up the snapped ends of the ribbon. If it wasn't a clean snap or tear, use scissors to cut them straight before lining them up to each other. Cut out a piece of sticky tape the width of the ribbon and then stick it over the tear, making sure that the ribbon stays straight and free of creases. You can then roll the taped section of ribbon onto the used ribbon spindle and place it back into your printer. Be sure to subscribe to ID Card Centre on YouTube for all the latest updates and product tutorials.